desk, I'll draw for you. So here's my desk. So here's my setup right now. So this is a desk. I actually have a very cool standing desk, right? It's like one of those standing desks. But unfortunately, it's not so big. It's like probably 1.5 meters, maybe a little less. No, actually, probably a meter. No, maybe like 1.2 meters. I don't know. It doesn't look like 1.5. It looks like maybe 1.3. I'm not sure. But it's actually pretty small. It's a small desk, right? And then I have a monitor right here and another monitor right here. Okay. And then I recently got this one, by the way. Yeah, it's very new. And then here I have my tablet, which is this big. It's pretty big, I'd say, right? But because, can you see, like, wait, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, can you see that there is no space between my tablet and the desk? So you were wondering, where do you have your keyboard? Where my keyboard is here.
What?
Is behind. My keyboard is behind, and that's why I have so much trouble typing and do anything, because I genuinely have to go like, okay, here's the point, right? Those are my arms, right? And I have to go like out of my way to type something, right? But this position is actually very comfortable because, like, I don't have short arms, okay? Leave me alone. And it's not a big deal because, like, usually I draw, so I have like this keyboard I use for you know, the shortcuts, and then I draw here with my pen. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. The camera is here, like in between. And that's, oh yeah, and the microphone, my microphone goes from here to here to here. It's complicated. And yeah, it kinda covers this screen too, but doesn't matter. How do you type? I don't.
Huh?
I type with just one finger. Sorry, one hand. I'd say this setup, it's pretty comfortable for me. It's not too bad. He's a big microphone stand. Yes. Where is my soda? I don't have any soda, but I have a... Oh, yeah. So I have one of those, like, external... How do you call? Like... I don't know how it's called. External coffee stand. Yeah, and I put my water in here. Yeah. Cup holder. Yes. Yeah. Stay hydrated. Yeah. Do you have any wireless stuff? No, actually I don't have any wireless stuff. No. I don't. My computer is down here. This is where I have my computer. Yes. I don't have cola right now. PC on the floor. Wait, you don't put the PC on the floor. It is sitting on a carpet. No, I am on a carpet. There is a small carpet here. Yeah. Yeah, I make sure to remove the dust every week though. Every week, usually it's on Friday, I clean everything, like on details. I remove all the dust from everywhere. Because I hate the dust. It makes me feel sick. Also, yeah, PC under the cup holder, that is a good point. And yes.
Stop it. Get some help.
We don't question it. And my Nintendo Switch is over here. I know it's a little tight, but this is my Switch. Those are my two monitors. This is my drawing tablet, and yeah. It got small workplace, but it's comfy. I like it. Ciao. Bye.